Hey, are you tired of being non-consistent profitable trader? I have a good news for you today. I guess after today's tutorial, your life will change in trading industry. So this strategy is worked by SMC. It works with SMC concept. So the only thing you need to do is just to get your mental capability ready for this because it's an advanced trading terminology that will be used. So I will share the fundamental rules with you now. So the fundamental rules you need to learn with this strategy today is the first thing you need to learn is market structure, liquidity to grab, liquidity zone to target, and entry confirmation. So these four key elements I stated here now should be guided by me one by one. So stay tuned. Don't skip any part of this video if you want to make use of this strategy. Thank you. So now let's go to the schematic diagram for clear understanding. This is an ID setup of what you see in our live trading section when we got into the live chat. So looking at the screen now, you notice that this is the market structure. The market makes lower low and lower high. This shows that the market is in downtrend. Do you mean here? So now the market is making lower low and lower high. So this after the breakup structure, this shows you that this trend have changed. So what again are you expecting? You have defined the market structure, right? So this is gone. This very zone is gone. The market structure is gone. So liquidity to grab is next to talk about. So this is the liquidity to grab. The liquidity to grab is this very zone. This very zone is called order block. You get the point. So whenever you hear order block is just like we buy and sell dialogue to win each other. You get the point. So that's how I just define it in my understanding. So now we have defined our structure. Let's go to 1 hour time frame for our liquidity grab and target. You get the point. So this is the breakup structure you see here, and this is here now. So this is the other block you see here. This is here. So what is the difference between the 4-hour time frame and 1 hour time frame? 1 hour time frame is meant for entry because it gives you edge over the market for you to see what will happen before others. You get the point. So if you're making use of a 4-hour time frame only, it's not a bad idea. But in terms of scaling down to lower time frame, you see how the moves is different from here. So this is the breakup structure. You see, this is the breakup structure, and this is what the liquidity grab, and it goes down to your liquidity target. You get the point. So this is our liquidity target. So this is very simple. I'm just breaking it down for you. So if you don't understand here, just screenshot this very part, memorize it after this video, or you can rewatch as many times as you can, or you can still ask me a question. So we are going to into live chat now for the same explanation you see here. So but just this is just an idea setup of it. It will never be the same in the live chat. So get yourself mentally ready for this. So now, what is the structure of this market? The structure of this market is what is in uptrend. If I may ask you, it's very easy to spot. Anybody can do that. So this is it now. This is the markets give us after this double button here, give us higher high and higher low, and give us another higher high and higher low. So what are we expecting? There's no room for us to trade in this type of trend. Do you get the point? That's where liquidity concept comes into play. So we're waiting for this market to change its direction. That's what we're waiting for. So what I'm waiting for now is to wait for this. This is 4-hour time frame. So we are in structure. We are in the structure zone. We are trying to define the structure. This is number one rule. Market structure is what we are about to define. So now the market is still moving up. The market is still moving up. Okay, the structure has been changing literally. So let me wait for this. So fine, the market has cleared its side of movement. Do you get the point? So I will reference here now as a breakup structure. This is a breakup structure. So get yourself mentally ready for this. As I'm doing this, you need to be following me step by step. I don't want you to miss any part of this. You can equally ask me question. Okay, look at what's happening. We are looking for now the structure has not yet been clear. So what are we looking for here from our diagram? Go back to the diagram. This diagram structure has been cleared. So we are looking for pullback into this variation. You get the point? So that's the stage we are now. The stage we are now is called liquidity grab setup from higher time frame. You get the point? So now we are looking for something of this nature for the market to go back to this very zone and give us clear view that I'll go down again. You get the point? So that's how to do that. So let's wait for more candlestick layouts to see if our setup have been building up. Unfortunately for us, we don't have it. We're still waiting for more. Still waiting for more. Still waiting. Okay. I have a very clear one here. I have a very clear one here. The market has break of structure. This is a break of structure with this candle. The next thing you need to do, you have defined the structure. You get the point. So this is it. Don't get confused. Watch clearly what happens here. The market has made what? The market has done what? The market has made higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and they are broken off structure here. You get the point? So now the market has break off structure. What are we doing now? We need to set our what? Go back to set our liquidity grab and go back to lower time frame for it. You get the point? So look at it now. The liquidity grab is what we set in 4-hour time frame, then go to 1-hour time frame for entry. That's very simple. Other block. That's what they're going to set now. So this is our this is the only liquidity grab we saw here. So this, remember this file. Remember this file. Then you go to 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour to see what happened. So as we're in 1 hour now, you see the break of structure is clear to everybody. It's not magic and it's not a rocket science. Anybody can do that. So what are we waiting for now? We're waiting for, you may set your order inside the zone. Sometimes I set my order, sometimes I wait for manual confirmation. But as a beginner, I would like you to be calm, be patient, set your order manually. But in this video, I'll use automatic painting order because it's very high zone trading section in New York section. So now, as it stands now, this is our other block. This is the liquidity grab zone. So we're waiting for what? We're waiting for the price to get into the zone, grab liquidity, and do what? And push down. Okay, what are the reasons behind this thing that is happening here? Those people who place their trades here, so many people have placed their trades now after this break, but we don't follow them. We, the smart money concept trader, we don't follow them. We are looking for what? Sniper entries, and we're looking for liquidity grab. You get the point. I'm waiting for this market to come back to this zone. About to come back to this zone. So let me set my target. My target is here. That's pending order. I set my pending order inside this zone. I should be expecting narrow push. They are giving me, this is my, if okay, wait, good one. So they are giving me opportunity to set what? To set my liquidity target zone. You set it on the week. So this is where I place it. Place it at this zone. This very zone. This should be a target. This very zone should be a target. You extend it down. You get the point. So let's see what happened. Good one. The trade is won. So what again are we doing? The trade is won. Let's move further to find another concept of trading. So we're looking for another break of structure. It's a break of structure we should be hoping. Not yet. We don't see any. Don't see any yet. It's a weak structure. Don't see any. A little bit faster. Good one. So now we have another break of structure. You get the point. This is another break of structure. Remember, we're on 1 hour, so the only liquidity zone we're seeing this is this. We have one here, we have one here, we have one here. So which one will I use? I will use this very one. I will use this very one. And I'll use this very one. This very one here. Liquidity grab. You get the point. So we have set everything now. You can go to 15 minutes time frame if you want, but since we have defined our structure for our time frame, the only thing we need to do is to use 1 hour. But if you want to be conversant enough, you can use 15 minutes. So let me see what happened. I can set my pending. Okay, let me set my pending orders. Let me set my pending orders. One is here, and one is here. One is here. So this is the first pending order. This is the second one. So let me see what happened. First pending order has kicked off. Wow. Wow. So that's how to trade it. I don't know what again to say. That's how to trade it. You see the trade is what. So this is another break of structure. It's another break of structure. The break of structure is not from the week. You set your target with the week, not the break of structure. Break of structure should be with the body. You get the point. So let's see what happens in the future. This is a break of structure. So where is our liquidity grab? Our liquidity grab should be somewhere around here. That is it. So it's the week. So it's a pending order. Let's see if the trade will be one also. So that's how to trade SMC. So why can't you subscribe if you're getting the value so far what I'm trading? That's how to learn. You follow who teach simple terms, not those who complicate issues. So this zone is not valid for us. Break up structure. This is my liquidity zone. So let's see what happened. Pending order should be inside this zone. Pending order, yeah. So remember we have 3 trades, right? Three or 2 trades with what you are doing so far. So let's see what happened here. Tap into the zone. The trade is 1, but I made a mistake. Sorry. This should be my target. Here should be my target. Sorry. The last pullback, the last leg before the pullback should be a target. So the trade is 1. So let's see if we can find another opportunity. Let's see if we can find another opportunity. It's no opportunity anymore. So let me wait for more time. Okay, this is how to trade it. So subscribe for more if you want to follow my trading journey. This is Trading with Shaka. So anybody can do what I'm doing. It's not a rocket science. So this is a break of structure. We'll find a very good one here. Break of structure, this one. So another place you're waiting for this very point. So we are looking for. This is the only liquidity graph we have. We use here. Another one is here. No one is here. These are the 2 zones you may set your target. This is the first one. And this is the second one. So you may set your target. So if you give you any confirmation before the pullback, okay. Okay. This is supposed to be our target if she wants our way. Good one. So let's see what happened. Oh yeah. So I don't know how can I explain this for you to know that this strategy is working. Do yourself a favor, do me a favor as well. Click on subscription button, click on notification bell. Anytime I drop a valuable content, I don't drop what I don't use. This is what I used to trade Bitcoin. This is what I used to trade anything that's called chart. I don't mind any trade. Just give me any financial market, whether crypto or forex. I kill you with this. So see you guys next time. Bye for now. Remember, it's your boy Shaka. Do yourself a favor, subscribe for more. Bye for now.